Most people think life insurance only pays when someone dies. But depending on the policy, it may also help while someone is still living through a serious illness, chronic condition, or long term care need. And families need to know that before a crisis happens. Welcome to Insurance Therapy with Sasha, where we talk about the money worries that keep you up at night and what you can actually do about them, like share and follow. Today, we're talking about life insurance with living benefits and why asking the right questions now could save your family stress later. This episode is for educational purposes only. Benefits vary by policy, carrier, and state. Always speak with a licensed professional about your specific situation. Let's keep it simple. Life insurance isn't always just a death benefit anymore. Some policies may allow you to access part of the benefit while you're still alive if you experience a qualifying illness or need long-term care. Not every policy has these features. Not every illness qualifies, and every contract is different. That's why you need to know what you have before you need it. Case study number 1. Marcus has a heart attack. Marcus is 52, married, and has 2 kids. He survives a heart attack, but can't return to work right away. The bills keep coming. Mortgage, groceries, car payment. Life doesn't stop because he's recovering. Then his family learns his policy includes a critical illness benefit. Depending on the policy, he may be able to access part of the death benefit while he's alive. That money helps cover expenses while he heals. The lesson? Surviving a medical crisis can still create a financial crisis. Case study number 2. Denise has a stroke. Denise is 60 and suffers a stroke. She survives but now needs help with daily activities. Her daughter Kim steps in to help. At first it's manageable. Then it becomes a full-time responsibility. Appointments, transportation, bathing, medication reminders, missed work, stress. If Denise has a qualifying chronic illness or long-term care benefit, she may be able to access funds to help pay for care. That could mean less pressure on Kim and more support for the family, because sometimes the biggest cost isn't medical bills, it's caregiving. Case study number 3. Sandra is diagnosed with cancer. Sandra is a single mom. After a cancer diagnosis, she's dealing with treatment, time off work, childcare, and everyday bills. Health insurance helps with medical care, but it doesn't pay the rent. If her policy includes a critical illness benefit and she qualifies, she may be able to access funds while she's alive. That money could help her focus on healing instead of worrying about keeping the lights on. What are living benefits? Here are the main types. Terminal illness benefits may allow access to part of the death benefit if a doctor certifies a terminal illness. Critical illness benefits may apply for qualifying conditions like heart attack, stroke, or cancer. Chronic illness benefits may help if someone can no longer perform certain daily activities independently. Long-term care riders may help cover qualifying care needs at home, assisted living, or other care settings. Hybrid policies combine life insurance and long-term care benefits into one policy. Again, every policy is different. Read the contract, ask questions, don't assume. 2 things every family should do. 1. Review your policy now. Don't just ask, how much coverage do I have? Ask, does my policy have living benefits? What illnesses qualify? How much can I access? Will it reduce the death benefit? Are there fees or tax considerations? Know the answers before a diagnosis happens. 2. Build a health crisis plan. Because when someone gets sick, families need more than health insurance. They need money for mortgage or rent, utilities, transportation, childcare, caregiving support, lost income. A strong plan may include emergency savings, disability insurance, life insurance with living benefits, and long-term care planning. Life insurance isn't just about what happens when you die. For some families, it's about protecting the household while you're still here. If dad has a stroke, mom gets cancer, or a spouse has a heart attack, what resources are available? That's the question. because too many families discover what they don't have when it's already too late. So pull out your policy, call your agent, ask about living benefits, ask how they work, ask before the diagnosis, not after, because planning early creates options later. This is Insurance Therapy with Sasha. Real conversations, bold truths, empowering you.